How to fix video recording not working in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. First of all, software update. Open settings, scroll down, click on software update, click on download and install. Here you will see download and install option. And if you want to update software, then click on update or install option. After click on install or update option, so your phone software will be updated from your phone. Now go back. After that, restart your phone. Swipe down, open quick setting panel, click on power off button icon, click on restart. Again click on restart your phone. Now go back. After that, force stop camera. Again open settings, scroll down, click on apps, search camera. Here you will see force stop option. And if you want to camera force stop, then click on force stop. Again click on force stop camera force stop from your phone. Now go back. After that, clear cache. Again open settings, scroll down, click on apps, search recorder, click on recorder, scroll down, click on storage. Here you will see clear cache. And if you want to clear cache, then click on clear cache. After click on clear cache from your phone. Now go back. This is how you can fix no video recording not working in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.